This looks good, but this tastes crazy. My eyes are bugging. One sip of this, I'm starting to wonder how many girls you have on your phone.
Welcome to Love is Blind!
For Nick, we have the Gringo.
No one would climb on my kitchen table.
For Danielle, we have the Iceberg in radioactive water because, well, she's toxic.
Like, I want to be mad if he says no. I want to be angry, but can't blame him, to be honest.
So for Danielle's drink, the Iceberg in radioactive water, we're going to start with 3 ounces of Midori, a melon liqueur. Then we'll add 1 ounce of Malibu, Caribbean rum, which is really just a coconut liqueur, a total lot.
Just like their relationship.
1 ounce of banana liqueur, and 3 ounces of pineapple juice.
Did you ever think the world doesn't revolve around like you?
For Danielle, we will add a scoop of vanilla ice cream, of course, the Iceberg that is in the radioactive water.
Like, again, like, this is a marriage, and I'm taking this very seriously.
You don't think I'm taking this seriously?
I do. I know that you are.
It doesn't sound
I'm implying that you're not.
sound like you do.
For the Gringo, i.e. Nick, we'll start off with 2 ounces of vanilla vodka, 1 ounce of banana liqueur. They both get the banana. 1 ounce of banana juice, and 1 ounce of coconut milk.
Isn't that what he puts in his toothpaste?
I've been making my own toothpaste 7 years. Baking soda, coconut oil, sometimes charcoal.
And there you have the Iceberg in radioactive water for Danielle and the Gringo for Nick.
Cheers.
Cheers. Dude, that looks good.
Let's see if love is blind. Wow. This tastes how you would think a drink named the Gringo tastes. Somewhat plain. It's good. It's almost like thicker than I would have expected. I feel like this is how you're supposed to drink this. I feel granola.
One sip of this, I'm starting to wonder how many girls you have on your phone. I'm about to key your fucking car by the end of the night.
Did I say, Danielle, I'm upset that you hung out with your friends tonight? That's not allowed.
This looks good, but this tastes crazy. My eyes are bugging. This is good, but it's intense. This is Danielle.
Yeah.
Oh my God, we're going to be together 50 years. I just feel like if he is missing for a long period, his family needs to check on him. Because I'm feeling like one Facebook friend that's a girl and she's going to freak out.
If he's walking into this car not as happy as I am, he's not here for the right reason. That's what I was thinking.
I'm going to give it a solid 6. I feel like it's a drink more for an occasion. It almost seems like a holiday drink. It tasted like eggnog. Not everybody likes it, which is a great drink for Nick.
6.7. I like it. I just feel as if something bad's gonna happen if I have this entire drink, and I don't know if it's worth. I don't know if it's worth it, and I feel as if that's the Danielle. I don't know if it's worth it. I'm actually no. You know what? If Danielle's watching, cut this out. I give it a 10 because I'm gonna end up dead.
I'm not convinced that it's all kosher.
This drink is getting me fired up about your actions. Because I feel like she would be questioning Nick right now. Why you didn't let me have a sip? Maybe you should have thought about that. The biggest thing, how are you going to ask me for a sip of my drink and then you just chug your entire drink without offering me any of that?
I mean,
That's a
you
Nick
haven't
thing to
drank
do.
any of yours yet.